Hello students, today we will study chemical properties of ethers. Already we completed preparation methods and physical properties of ethers. First chemical property is laboratory test. Ethers are neutral compounds in aqueous medium. Do not react with bases, cold and dilute acids, reducing agents, oxidizing agents and active metals. Dissolves in cold concentrated sulfuric acid due to formation of oxonium salt. Reaction: CH3 CH2O CH2 CH3 diethyl ether plus sulfuric acid. In cold condition it gives oxonium salt of diethyl ether. This property distinguishes ethers from hydrocarbons. Second chemical property, reactions involving alkyl group. Ethers combines with atmospheric oxygen to form peroxide. CH3 CH2O CH2 CH3 diethyl ether reacts with oxygen. It gives ether peroxide. All ethers which have been exposed to the atmosphere contains peroxide. Peroxides are hazards as they decompose violently at high temperature. Third chemical property, reaction involving carbon-oxygen bond. First, reaction with dilute sulfuric acid. Ethers on heating with hot dilute sulfuric acid undergoes hydrolysis, gives alcohols or phenols. When two same alkyl groups are attached to ether, it gives two molecules of alcohols. But when two different alkyl groups are attached to ether, it gives two different molecules of alcohols. Similarly, in alkyl aryl ether, it gives one molecule of phenol and one molecule of alcohol on reaction with dilute sulfuric acid. Second reaction, reaction with PCl5. Ethers reacts with PCl5 to give alkyl chlorides. General reaction ROR- plus PCl5. It gives RCl plus R-Cl plus phosphorus oxychloride. Reaction with hot concentrated sulfuric acid. Alkyl ether reacts with hot concentrated HI and HBr to give an alcohol and an alkyl halide molecule. General reaction. The order of reactivity of HX is HR is more reactive than HBr, which is more reactive than HCl. Aryl alkyl ethers have stronger and shorter bond between oxygen and the aromatic ring. Hence, an aryl alkyl ether undergoes a cleavage of oxygen alkyl bond and yields a phenol and an alkyl halide on the reaction with HI. Reaction takes place at 398 Kelvin temperature. Anisole reacts with HI, it gives phenol plus methyl iodide. Fourth reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction. The alkoxy group in aromatic ether is a ring activating and ortho-para directing group towards electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Resonating structures. Plus R effect of alkoxy group results in increased electron density at 2 ortho and 1 para position. In electrophilic substitution reaction, first reaction is halogenation. Anisole undergoes bromination with bromine in acetic acid even in the absence of ferric bromide catalyst. It is due to activation of benzene ring by the methoxy group. Reaction: anisole plus twice of Br2 in presence of acetic acid. It gives mixture of product, that is para-bromoanisole and ortho-bromoanisole. But para-bromoanisole is the major product. plus 2 molecules of HBr is removed as a byproduct. Second electrophilic substitution reaction is Priedel-Crafts reaction. In Priedel-Crafts reaction, we will study alkylation. Anisole reacts with alkyl halide and acyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 as a catalyst. Anisole plus methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, it gives paramethyl anisole and orthomethyl anisole. In this reaction, paramethyl anisole is the major product. Second, acylation reaction. Priedel-Crafts acylation of anisole. Anisole reacts with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. It gives 2-methoxyacetophenone and 4-methoxyacetophenone. Here 4-methoxyacetophenone is the major product. Next electrophilic substitution reaction is nitration. Anisole reacts with nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. It gives mixture of orthonitroanisole and para-nitroanisole. Reaction anisole plus nitrating mixture, it gives orthonitroanisole and para-nitroanisole. Here para-nitroanisole is the major product. Last point, uses of ethers. Earlier, diethyl ether was used as a general anesthetic in surgical operations. Second use, diethyl ether is used as a solvent for Grignard reagents, fats, waxes, oils, etc. Thank you.